in this video, let us talk about another simple pattern. Okay, and this is a numeric pattern. Okay, in previous video we have talked about a star pattern. This is a numeric pattern. Okay, now the pattern is, if n is equal to 4, then we have only 4 coming, and there are 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, now if n is equal to 3, then we will have 3 rows and 3 columns. And similarly, if n is equal to 10, then we will have 10 rows and 10 columns, and then item will be 10. Okay, now to approach this problem, we have to use a loop. Okay, that concept is clear from the previous program, right? From the previous video, we have to use our for loop, right? For I in range of n, right? N because as many number of the number of input we have taken from the user, those many number of rows we have to use. Okay, inside the for loop, print. Now what we have to print? We have to print the number, right? And we have to use the repetition operator to repeat it 3 times, right? Now this number we will convert into a string. So we have a str function. So str of n and plus a single space, and then multiplied by this whole is multiplied by n. This is our program. Okay, so basically, if you notice, we are converting this n into a string, adding a space because we have space after the number, and then we are multiplying with n so that it gets repeated for those many number of times, right? So we have a string multiplied by a integer, it will get repeated those many number of times, right? Let us go to PyCharm and implement this. So let us take the user input, num is equal to int of input, enter number of rows, and now let us iterate this. For I in range of the number we have taken as a user input, now print. Within that, we don't have a string here, right? We have a number, so we have to convert into a string. So str of num plus a single space put into a bracket, and then multiplied with num. Let us save this and run this program. Let us enter number of rows 3. Now we can see 3, 3, 3. There are 3 rows and 3 columns, right? Let me save and rerun again. Okay, let us enter 5. Now we have 5 rows and 5 columns. Okay, so basically this loop is getting executed 5 times for the for the values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and within the print statement, we are passing num, which is 5, that is converted into a string, added a space, and then multiplied with the number, which is 5. So this is getting repeated 5 times. Okay, we have this multiplication is nothing but the repetition operator, okay, in Python. So it will get repeated for those many number of times. Let us rerun again for the final times. Enter 4. We have this 4 coming 4 times, right? So 4 rows and 4 columns with the value 4. So this is this is only tricky part we had to understand if we have to create a number pattern. Okay, but for star pattern, it is already just put into a quote and use the repetition operator with the number, and we will get that. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you do not understand, please comment into the comment section. If you do not understand, if you have any topic, if you want to discuss any particular pattern, that also you can put into the comment box. And please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends click on the like button. That motivates me to create more content. Okay.